On this episode of Cleaning with QMS, how to clean carpet that's not dirty. Watching a video from Brown's Professional Carpet Care while filming my own. Testing out the DJI object tracking. Boy do I love thumbs up. All this and more on this episode of Cleaning with QMS.
What is up, YouTube? Getting to another job, another episode. I'm assuming I'm going to start calling them that. I don't think I really have a choice at this point, but let's check out the carpet. Oh yeah, I already showed you guys my new clothes. I like them. The blue's nice. Everybody seems to like the colors. The gray was getting a little bit dull. So let's see what we got here. This one is actually... carpet's really clean for an apartment. Check it out. I think it's fairly new, to be honest. So it's really not bad. It was vacuumed. You can see the vacuum marks. The cleaner who cleans these actually knows how to vacuum. I'm just gonna leave it at that. They go from edge to edge just like we would as a cleaner, as a carpet cleaner, so they do a good job. So check it out. Those I think aren't spots. No, there aren't any spots in this carpet. I can make a spot disappear just like magic. Look at that. Rub the spot out. Just a distortion. Oh, it is. Okay. Light going here. Alright. Too bad. Looking good here. Yeah, it's actually really clean. So I'm going to set up real quick and I'll set up the camera, maybe some different angles. Let you get some video shots of it. But yeah, it's going to be a pretty straightforward job. Alright, see you in a few seconds. Alright. Let's get started. What's kind of upsetting about polyester carpet is it looks really good at first. I mean, like, it looks just like nylon, feels just like nylon, but man, give it a couple residents on this commercial polyester carpet or a few years in your house, and it's just horrible. Kind of sad because it's not. I mean, they're getting better with polyester, but it's got a long way to go. A little too quick. I guess this would force you to do better one faster. If you're too fast, hard time to keep it up. There we go, though. Okay, got that face tracking on. Tracking's pretty good. So hopefully you like the little intro, or not intro, what am I talking about? Start over. Okay, everything came out really well. Hopefully you like the tracking scene. I'll work on that, learn a little more about it, how it, or what will help it track a little better. But right now, yeah, it's doing, and that was through my camera. This is just face tracking, so pretty good. Pretty quick on it, wow. I like it. DJI Osmo Pocket, man. It's a good camera. So if anybody out there is interested in doing videos, you know, filming yourself, it's a good one. GoPro has wider screen, less to mess with. I think I might get a GoPro Hero 8. They got some new features which would work really well for me. So, but right now, I love the Pocket. No issues with it. I got a couple more accessories actually showing up tomorrow. So, but anyways, until the next video. YouTube, stay clean. I forgot to show you the lines. What was I thinking? Everybody likes the lines. Lines, lines, lines. Lines, lines, lines. Looking good. Like I said, this one wasn't dirty anyways. Alright. See you in the next one.